Okay guys, welcome to a new video. I'm already playing I am Cats and yeah. You, you, you can open this and I got tasks, so yeah, welcome to the game again. Yeah. Climb to top shelf of the refrigerator. Where is the refrigerator? There it is. Fridge. I played with Bluetooth. Oh my god. So random. What is this? Oh, it's old. Oh, I gotta open up the refrigerator. I was floating. Continue watching that. I'm gonna go up here. Okay. I use the hint. I'll get up. Okay, 30 seconds. Bro, I wanted this before that. Oh no! Yeah, advertisement. Upcoming. This is bad. I forget I have to jump once. Oh my god! I should have jumped just like this, clicked and jump once. Once.
This game is Snake Clash IO. You should reach the highest level by eating others who have a lower level than you. As you level up, the snake...
Oh my god, what just happened? Yeah, it's starting to be... Okay.
Snake will evolve.
Okay, I hate this advertisement. I get it, but it's too much advertisements. Like, this is on phone. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Okay, just... Okay, I gotta just... Oh, I gotta just look up. Oh my god. I'll probably have to speed this up. Oh my god, an advertisement!
Autan, bolje spriječiti nego liječiti.
Oh my god, why is the Gwen talking like that? It's creepy, Gwen. Oh! I can do this jump. I can do this jump. No, I did this jump. Yes. Whoa, no! I can't get up. Seems to be impossible though. Yeah, I think I'll be fine up there. No. I don't want the banana. That seems cool. I would like if there were new ads, but oh my god, I didn't get it. This is like impossible. Not gonna lie, I wanna just skip this. If available. And then click anything and watch me to do it. If I won't be able to do that again, then I'm giving up on it. Ah! I'm giving up. I'm gonna. I can't climb. Ah! Okay, just need to skip this somehow. Let me just skip this. Oh my god, this. This is. Okay. Oh my god, not now!
Defeat insects on the surface to gather food.
Now I will lose because of that.
Feed the collected food to the queen ant and collect egg. When the egg...
No! I hate ants now. I'm gonna step on them every time I see them. Every single time. Should I get up? It's like impossible. Or am I just dumb? Maybe I didn't need to get up here, but rather somewhere else. Something else to get up here. Oh my! I forgot. Oh my god, you can double jump here. Hey, grandma can do nothing about this. Where's grandma? What's she doing with her head? There she is, and 30 minutes. She didn't even notice. Ah. Yay! Probably. The grandma didn't even do this to me. Burst 5 balls, okay. Just before the advertisement. Blurring this. My game just glitched. My whole phone glitched. Let me just